Hey everyone, meet Steve. He came up with a fantastic new product called the FASTenon that FastCap has developed with him, and we're bringing to market. And if you're used to using the domino machine from Festool, you're gonna love this product because it has small barbs on it, and when you pound the pieces together, it holds the pieces together. No clamping, no glue, nothing. It's just amazing. If you wanna put clamps on it and glue, you can, but you don't need to. So here's Steve explaining the product.
So here we're gonna demonstrate how we can use the FASTenon to attach a pre-finished face frame. We've got a little face frame back inside this cabinet that we're going to put on. It's already been finished by the painter. We get them finished, detached. It's a lot easier for our finisher that way. We have the mortise drilled in this piece back here with the domino machine. And so we pound the FASTenon. Goes in just like that, super easy. With this piece right here, just put a little bit of glue on it, not much. There we go. It's attached. There's no holes in it. Good to go.
These are 6mm or equivalent to the 6mm Festool domino. So just to give you an idea, they are 6mm and then they are 38mm long. And to go over some of the finer points of this, you'll notice that there's little grooves in here. And those little grooves allow for the glue to be able to move and go around the plastic. And as that glue hardens, it actually will encapsulate in some of these little areas to give you a tighter bond. The other thing you'll notice is the barbs. The barbs actually pull into the wood, whether it be hardwood or fiberboard. And then we also have a chamfer, and the chamfer allows it to go in very easily.